Hello everyone, this is Ankika. Welcome back to my channel. As Diwali season has already started, many must have been done with their shoppings or preparing sweets or applying face packs to glow, and many must have been done with the cleaning of their houses or must be still doing it. So I'm here to tell about the 5 tips of decluttering of your house. Decluttering means removing of unnecessary items from your home which doesn't spark joy much and which have become outdated and which you don't use it anymore. So it's a personal experience that it actually makes you feel good and relaxed, and it will be like you have just thrown away the burden or clutter from your head, and it will obviously change your life. So let's start with the 5 decluttering tips on this Diwali. Number 1. Ask 3 questions while you declutter. First question is that, does this item give you joy? Then second, is this item functional? Third, have you used this item last year? If one of the answer is yes for you, then keep it, otherwise dispose it. Number 2 is paper clutter. Papers are the ones which gets cluttered in a week, like newspapers, magazines. If you have read it fully, then dispose it, and you have something to read and feel that you will read it in future, then keep, otherwise it will only just pile up weeks after weeks in your home. Number 3. Closet clutter. It will take really hard to do it, but it will change your life. The shirts, tops which you don't wear or which doesn't fit or toned should be thrown away. Or if it is in good condition but you haven't used it for 2-3 years, which doesn't even spark joy or outdated, then at least give to children or beggars who are in need of it. Should I keep this? Number 4. Electrical devices and wires. Clean and organize. If it doesn't work or of no use, then discard it, as it only makes your home a mess. And the last one, number 5, visual clutter. Remove them. If you see something is only kept as it is and doesn't seem good, then shift that thing from that place. When you see less items in front of your eyes, it feels less stressful. If the things are just lying here and there like your clothes, books, then it doesn't feel right. Shift them from that place and you will have a clear mind. So that's it for today. If you liked my video, then give a thumbs up. And please share and subscribe my channel to your friends and relatives to have a clutter-free Diwali. Have a great weekend and happy Diwali to all of you. Bye-bye.